Hey, how's it going everybody? Mike Weber here. In this video, let's talk about what happened in the last month of 2021 in December with the real estate market in Los Angeles County and the South Bay beach cities. So this is going to be a pretty short video. If you guys haven't watched my 2021 market recap or my 2022 real estate market predictions videos, definitely go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and get started. December of 2021 was an interesting month in the real estate market because we saw inventory both in Los Angeles County and the South Bay fall even more so than we've seen all the previous months. And now we're at these kind of like almost unbelievable lows in terms of the amount of inventory on the market. And that's probably the biggest challenge that the market's going to face, as we head into 2022. Buyers out there that are looking for homes, there's really just nothing out there at all to look at and to buy. But let's get started in Los Angeles County. And what we see there is that prices in LA County have been kind of stable over the last 6 months. They're now up 13.6% compared to a year ago, which is certainly nothing to sneeze at. But at one point we were up around 20%. So that has kind of tapered off a little bit. Now it is starting to rise again. And this could be an early sign of what's going to happen in 2022 if the inventory remains as subdued as it is right now and as it's been. Now let's talk about inventory in Los Angeles County. And what we're seeing here is that it is just so unbelievably low that it's almost kind of ominous. It's like as if nobody wants to put their home on the market. If people are afraid to sell or nobody's selling for some reason, they're waiting for something to happen or some event. We are down 47.8% in terms of the inventory that's on the market in Los Angeles County compared to where we were just a year ago, which was already a very bad year, as many of you know, because of COVID and kind of everything that's been going on. I anticipate this trend continuing at least for the next 6 months. And at that point, I think there is a chance that we will start to see some shifting in the market as interest rates start to rise. But for the time being, interest rates are low, prices are still going up, and there's absolutely nothing out there to purchase if you're a would-be home buyer. Now, taking a look at the South Bay beach cities, what we see there is that median prices are up only 9.1% now year over year. So in the middle of 2021, they were up substantially higher, and now a lot of that price growth has kind of tapered off. However, we do see the same trend as we're seeing in Los Angeles County in that inventory is actually down 56.3% compared to a year ago in the South Bay beach cities. In fact, we're at 0.7 months supply of inventory, which means there's not even enough inventory on the market to supply the next month of buying that needs to take place. So that is an extremely low level of inventory. Now, it is interesting to see prices having come down and kind of flattened out even in this low inventory environment. But again, I think as rates start to rise as we move into next year, that's where we're going to see what's really going to happen. Is inventory going to start rising? Are buyers going to start backing off from purchasing? Will that create some pressure on prices at that point? Or are prices just going to continue to rise now and into the future, even though rates go up a teeny tiny bit, while inventory continues to remain extremely low? We'll definitely be covering it. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If you have any questions about real estate or there's something you want to talk about, feel free to leave that in the comments below. I'll leave links to my market recap video for 2021 and my forecast for 2022 in the description down below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video.